Let's make your portraits better and use some props. Oh, greetings all. You know, props add that little bit of extra something to your portraits. So long as it is to do with the shot you're doing itself. For example, a woman with a handbag, a chef with a rolling pin, a golfer with a club. It all adds that little bit of extra something. So I came up with a bit of an idea of, instead of adding a prop to something, is doing it in reverse. So I asked a friend to come up with a prop, and then I've got to come up with the shot. Just a little bit of a challenge, just to see what you can come up with. When I asked him, and he said, face mask. So I thought, right, okay, let's come up with an idea with a face mask. Now this does add a few little problems, because the whole idea of a portrait is to see people's faces. Well, does it have to? Well, no, not really, as I'm about to show you. Right, so you're going to have to grab yourself a model and give him a mask. Using 3 speed lights on this one on the camera. This one is mainly just to trigger the other 2. One of the 550EX is just to my left. It's obviously to the right of the subject. The speed light that's behind the black screen, that's purely there because we're shooting black on black. So we've got to give a little bit of an outline on the subject to the back. And that is all that is there for. The speed light on the Canon here is at its lowest power setting. The one that's just to my left, that is at half power. The one that is behind the screen is at full power. Camera settings, we are 200th of a second. That's sync speed. That's the highest I can go. F18, we want to try and keep this dark. And ISO 800. Now I may drop down the ISO to 600. And I may drop that aperture down to f16, probably one bit lower, depending on how it comes out. But for the moment, that's what I'm sticking with. And the speed light on here, I'm actually going to tilt to the right and slightly up, with also the fill flash on it. Like I said, the main purpose of this one is to trigger the one behind. But also this one is going to tell the other one to fire as well. Hope that makes sense. So let's get started. I will be doing more of these, so if you leave a comment below of a prop you want me to use, if I've got it, I'll shoot it, and I love a good challenge. So if you want to see that, or you want to see the up and coming video of Autumn with a lens ball, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and we'll meet again. It's been fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.